2, 3, 5, side step, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, back step, push your back, together, back, together, back, together, back, mambo, and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and stop. Thank you. Yeah, you got me now. Yeah. Okay, you ready? I wish I was perfect. I'm good, but not that good. Okay. Ready and mambo. So go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, forward. 5, 6. Side step to the 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The other side. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back to my step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Back to the other one. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back to mambo and 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and 1. I'm not laughing at you. I'm laughing with you. Okay. Thank you. Let's move that one. Okay. Yeah, you can cope with me. I'm very nice. Really. Okay. One last time. Then I'm gonna back step open after this. Ready and mambo. So it's 1, 2, 3. The other leg. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. Forward. 5, 6. Side. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. Back step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5. Back to mambo. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7, and stop. Ladies, move that one. Thank you. Well done. Okay, I'm going to add for the last move. Back step open. This is where it gets a bit tricky. You're moving now. Moving now. Okay, just one. Okay. All right. Okay, just watch a second because I haven't got to put the mic down for a moment. Hang on. Okay. Back step open. Lead. For the back step open, what you want to do is virtually push your partner away. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, 5. 5. But when I say really calm, I'm going 1, 2, 3, 5. And 2, check the shoulders. 1, back to mambo, and 1. Okay? Yeah. So, we all got that. Easy. Alright, so we're doing 2 mambos, 2 side step, 2 back step, 2 back step open. Did I did. Damn. Okay. 2 back step open and back into mambo. And then we're going to try forward step. Dun, 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 dun. Ready? And mambo. So I go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Side step. 1, looking good. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back step open. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5. Back to mambo. 1, 2, 3, 5, and stop. Thank you. Ladies, move that one. Oh, God, we'll be the end over there. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, there you go. They're back. Still moving now. I know. This is why you get the exercise. You've got to walk around a lot. Yeah, I'm sweating. All right. All right, ready? So get your music. Yeah, can I have track 5 again, please? Nice and simple, so I don't need the mic for this. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 5, side step. Timbales. 5. One, 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1, 2. Everyone back in. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. 5. 1, 2, 6. 2. Ready? Side step. 1, 2, 6. 1, 2, 5. Back step. Trombone. 5. 1. That's two. That's two. 1, 5. 1, 5. We're not finished yet. 1, 5. Mambo. 1, 2, 3.